and gentlemen, the journey to the championship intensifies as two powerhouse teams collide in this fight for survival. The USI Falcons and the Cspc Blue Stallions are set to battle it out for the quarterfinals knockout match in the seniors division. Good day, Bicolandia, and welcome to another thrilling chapter of Bucal Season 6. Live na live tayo dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. I am Jasper Abante, beside me is Rick Puerta, and you are tuned in to the quarterfinals knockout match of Bucal Season 6, only here on One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan, talagang napakaganda ulit ng habakbakan dito sa ating araw na ito is the Cspc Blue Stallion versus USI Falcons. Yun nga, winner or go home ang ating situation at this moment because knockout quarterfinals po ulit ang magaganap all throughout this day. So tutok lamang po tayo sa ating mga live stream media. We have the One Media TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Bucal Facebook page. And of course, this is not possible without our sponsors. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sponsors nitong Bucal Season 6. So yun nga, pag-usapan natin ang dalawang kupunan na ito. USI Falcons, they are on the Division 2 of our seniors basketball, and napakaganda ng inalaro nito simula sa ating first and up to the second round of elimination. Talagang na-sweep nila ito on their part. So this is a big challenge for them na patuloy yung momentum na dala-dala nila up until this quarterfinals. And on the side of the Cspc Blue Stallion, hindi man naging maganda or hindi man patuloy na nakakuha sila ng panalo dito, pero andito sila sa knockout quarterfinals. So yun ang aabangan natin dito. It's a battle of pride, and syempre ilalaban nila hanggang dulo dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. And speaking of the Cspc Blue Stallion, let's call our courtside reporter Amanda at alamin natin kung sino ba ang kasama niya at kung anong magiging adjustment and preparations nitong Cspc Blue Stallion dito sa araw na ito. Now Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Rick and Jasper. Good morning, Bicolandia. So this is the quarterfinals knockout for Bucal Season 6. Live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. The battle between USI Falcons and Cspc Blue Stallions. Ako nga si Amanda Lazaro na makakasama nyo mula dito sa panig ng Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Alam natin na makakaharap ng Cspc Blue Stallions ang undefeated team na USI Falcons. Kaya naman kasama ko ngayon ang head coach ng Cspc Blue Stallions para bigyan tayo ng updates kung ano ba ang kanilang naging preparation. Good morning, Coach Peter.
Good morning, Amanda. Good morning, everyone.
Alright, so alam namin na nag-prepare kayo for the undefeated team for the USI Falcons. So ngayon po, ang tatanungin ko ay ano ang pinag-focusan nyo sa training last week and sa upcoming quarterfinals knockout?
It was a very good game for us last time against UNC. So mostly we are just polishing what we have. And knowing that the USI are undefeated, so alam namin, and we've been facing them for 3 games already, so may konting amo yan per se, and we know yung strengths namin, we know their strengths, and it's a chess match pagdating mamaya sa game na to.
Maraming salamat, Coach. So with all the polishing and trainings, ano nga po ba ang pwede nating abangan sa Cspc Blue Stallions?
Well, this is a do or die game for both teams. So, diba, no more next game kung matalo. So, the aggressiveness and the willingness and yung kagustuhan talagang maipanalo to, yun yung makakapatulong sa kung sino man ang team na mananalo ngayon.
Alright, so may gusto ka po bang batiin o pasalamatan sa ating Cspc community at sa ating live stream viewers?
First and foremost, I would like to thank Pres June Oliva Jr., our VPAA, si Ma'am Jocelyn Hintalan, and our SASU Director, Sir Jay Luzon, always giving us the positive reinforcement, the support, and to the Cspc community. Sana mag-support pa kayo as we're doing this for the Cspc community.
Alright, so maraming salamat. So that's the update from the side of Cspc Blue Stallions. Kaya tutok lang dito sa may init na aksyon only here at Bucal official Facebook page, One Media TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Amanda reporting. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Suns, and of course nakasama niyo doon ng head coach ng CSPC, which is Coach Peter Barcelon, for giving us the preparations, yung mga ginawa nila throughout their preparation nga kontra dito sa ating undefeated team, which is the USI Falcons. And this time naman, let's hear an update from the side of the USI Falcons. We have here Chen, and kung sino yung makakasama niya makikita natin mamaya. So for sure, magandang laban talaga, Rick, yung matutunghayan natin this morning. The first game for our triple header action. Ayan, at mukhang ready na ang ating courtside reporter to Chen to give us an update. Alright, so Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Good morning, Rick and Jasper, and hello, Bicolandia. We are now on the quarterfinals of the game. And makakasama ko nga ngayon ang assistant coach ng USI Falcons. We have here Coach Paps. Ayan, good morning, Coach. Matanong ko lang, ano nga ba ang preparation ng Falcons at ano ba ang dapat naming abangan?
Ngayon, mas nagano na kami, mas dinoble namin yung preparation. Nag-prepare kami na parang championship game yung paglalaroan namin ngayon. Again, same with the last time, dinoble pa rin namin yung effort namin lahat sa defense, sa offense, lahat ng maliliit na details. As much as possible, kinorek namin. Lahat ng pwedeng i-adjust namin for us to get the win today.
Ayun, Coach. Of course, invite mo naman po ang ating USI community na isupport ang ating USI Falcons dito sa laro nyo.
Again, I am inviting the whole community of the USI Falcons na please support our team this Bucal Season 6 dito sa quarterfinals. Thank you.
Ayan, Coach. Thank you so much and good luck to the team. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, let's see kung makukuha ba nila ang ticket patungo sa semifinals. Kaya naman si Kaping tumutok dito lang sa Bucal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, this is Chen Shaira Nicolas. Balik sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun, napakinggan nga natin dito ang side ng ating USI Falcons. And again, nabanggit ko dito kanina na napakaganda ng laro nitong USI Falcons, and nagmistulang dark horse on that first and second round of elimination. But this is the moment of truth kung kanino mapupunta ang napakagandang panalo this day. So yan ang aabangan natin dito as our officiating officials and our announcer here are presenting the first five of both teams.
Alright, so sa ating semifinals, Rick, sa kabilang bracket, magtatapatan na or handang-handa na magtapatan yung ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights and of course yung ating ACC Green Serpents para yan sa ating semifinals. Now, this game will determine kung sino yung mag-a-advance sa ating semifinals. Will it be the CSPC Blue Stallions or the USI Falcons dito sa ating seniors division? And mamaya lamang for our last game this Sunday, makikilala na natin or malalaman din natin kung sino yung makakatapat nila for the semifinals. Will it be the NCF Tigers or the STI Olympians na makakatapat nila for the semifinals? And on the juniors division, we also have that progress. Ayan, yung mga handang-handa na magtapatan for our juniors division. But for now, mag-focus muna tayo dito sa ating game at hand. We have here the undefeated USI Falcons and the CSPC Blue Stallions for the tip-off and the first ball possession for the Falcons. Now, Posada handing it to jersey number 22. Maagang tres ang ibibigay sa atin, Rick, ng USI Falcons courtesy of jersey number 22. That is
Goloso. And now, ball possession ulit ng ating USI Falcons. So, great start. Great start on the side of the USI Falcons.
now once again Doloso, well guarded here by Velitario. Now Asibor, well guarded here by Diang. Now Graho, di diretso makukuha yung 2 points dyan, Rick. A 5-0 run on the first 30 seconds of our first quarter. Now let's see Nianggar what will do here. Diang, well guarded Diang by Posada. That is jersey number 8, Atanasio. Now, Nianggar to Atanasio. No good on that attempt by Atanasio. But here comes for the offensive rebound. Diang. Maagang whistle for the USI and the CSPC. Grabe, Rick. Mainit agad yung tagpo natin for that first quarter. Matatawagan nga dito ng pushing foul. Itong si jersey number 3, Zolark Asibor.
And we should expect it.
Oh my God, Rick. Maagang T. Is it a T? Let's hear from our officials. Grabe, napakaaga nung apoy, Rick. We'll see if our officials will be having a review here. Maagang review for both of these teams. Ayan, grabe. Ayan na nga, Rick. At maagang review for our first game. Grabe, napakainit agad ng tagpo dito. We'll be having a review kung sino nga ba yung matatawagan doon ng violations. Ayan, and for the meantime, Rick, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Bucal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po.
And now, nasabi mo nga kanina na intense ang matchup na ito. And nakikita naman natin sa ating oras, 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Napakaaga pa para dito sa mga masiksik at mainit na tensyon sa loob ng hard court. But of course, yun nga, expect the unexpected para dito sa araw na ito because it's a do or die matchup.
Ayun na nga at let's take a look sa ating replay, Rick, kung ano nga ba yung nangyari doon. Makikita dito, nagkagira nitong si Riang and si Asibor. Ayan, at makikita natin sa ating screen. Mukhang nagkapalitan doon ng words itong si Riang and si Asibor and matatawagan sila dyan ng double technical foul for taunting and the ball will go on the side of the CSPC, but now nasa side na yan ang ating USI Falcons.
No, Posada, itatawid ng bola on their side.
Grabe, napakaagang technical foul nun, Rick. Mukhang marami pa tayong matutunghayan dito sa intense matchup ngayong umaga. I think that is the first time for Bucal na magkaroon agad ng official challenge or that official's review.
Yes.
On the first quarter. Grabe, hindi pa tayo nakakatawid, Rick, sa unang 2 minuto ng ating first quarter. And ganun na agad yung tagpo. Ganun na agad kainit yung laban natin this morning.
And now, papalitan muna dito si De Young on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. Another opportunity on the side of the Falcons. De lost it to inbound.
Now on the corner, Burse getting that triple. Ayan na nga, Rick. Grabe, 8-0 run ang ginagawa dito ng ating USI Falcons. Burse getting that clean basket, nothing but the net pa nga. And that was an early timeout then for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Let's take a look once again dun sa nangyari kanina. Grabe. And what will early adjustments dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions?
Because this is a good start on the side of the USI Falcons, knowing na parang silang nasa upper hand at this moment because of that sweep elimination round. So I think it's a big challenge on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion kung ano yung magiging game plan nila, because according to their coach, napag-aralan naman daw ng kanilang kupunan itong USI Falcons. So let's see after this timeout kung ano yung magiging bagong game plan dito and adjustment at the same time to get their first point dito sa ating first quarter.
Yes, Rick, because actually this is the 4th time na magtatagpo itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions and the USI Falcons sa ating hardcourt. But this time, ibang usapan na to, Rick, because we are on the quarterfinals and isa lamang sa kanila ang mag-move forward sa ating semifinals. Now, let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito. Belgica well guarded by Burse. Now, Belgica, grabing movement ito ni Belgica and almost a steal, but not an almost, but a steal na nga, Rick. Now, on the wings, right wing, diretso dyan, Posada, but a defensive rebound naman on the side of the Stallions. Now, Velitario, Tunianggar. Medyo bumagal sila dito, Rick. Let's see. Now, Belgica, well guarded pa rin by Burse. Now Ateneo to jersey number 24, Correa. Now here comes Belgica, almost getting that triple. No, good on that attempt by Burse. Now here comes the Blue Stallions.
Now Blue Stallions, they need a point conversion at this moment. But again, USA Falcons with that defensive play.
Pull-up jumper, and that's good for jersey number 15 of the USA Falcons. That is Graho. Grabe naman talaga itong si Graho. Now, let's see kung makakaputos na dito ang ating Blue Stallions. Correa, an air ball on that shot. Now, Ateneo makakakuha na dito ng 2 points on the side of the Blue Stallions. That is the first point for this ball game. Pero 10-0 run yung nagawa doon ng ating USA Falcons before sila doon makapuntos ng layup. Ayan, let's see. Del Rosario, well guarded by Niangar. Almost a deflection, but Burse managed to get that ball. Now, Doloso titira ng dos. Ayan, malinaw. That's for 2 points. Konti na lang, Rick. Nandun na siya sa labas.
Yes.
Almost converting a 3-pointer on that shot.
And now Blue Stallion on the offense.
An early whistle on the side of the USA Falcons. Ayan, let's see. The same ball possession. A 10-point lead of the USA Falcons.
Now Ateneo to inbound. Chance for the Blue Stallion here to score.
Still Ateneo ang gumagawa ng diskarte for the team. Now Ateneo swings it to Correa. Back to Ateneo. Almost getting that triple, but the defensive rebound coming from jersey number 15, Graho.
And now Burse passing the ball to his teammate. Falcons aiming to get a point, but Knight still on the side of the Blue Stallion.
A deflection coming from Belgica. Now Belgica to Niangar. Grabe, double team ni Niangar. Still coming from Doloso, nagmamadali. Libreng-libre, jersey number 25. But a missed opportunity, Rick. Sayang yon. Let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng ating Blue Stallions. Now, Velitario lilipad. Stallions had a base for our first quarter. Grabe. And that was an early timeout then for our USI Falcons. Maybe this timeout is to kill or to stop the momentum na nasisimulan nitong ating CSPC Blue Stallions, because kilalang kilala natin to, Rick, itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Maybe pabayaan nila or hayaan nilang malamangan sila for the first half, but for sure, Rick, doubled or tripled effort ang makikitang or matutunghayan nating play for the CSPC Blue Stallions on the second half. But let's see, since we are on the first quarter, we'll see kung paano sila dito magte-take advantage on that timeout called by the USA Falcons.
Now, CSPC Blue Stallion needs to adjust if they want to chase the lead. Pero medyo maaga pa naman tayo dito sa ating laro. Nasa midway pa lang tayo ng ating first quarter. So let's see kung makikita na ba natin yung paghabol dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallion as the time progresses, or will the USA Falcons still manage to secure their lead dito sa ating unang quarter? Yan ang aabangan natin dito. And now, back to the ball game and USI Falcons with the ball possession. Now Burse to inbound.
Siyempre, tutok na tutok sa ating Facebook Live yung mga supporters ng CSPC Blue Stallions at also ng ating USI Falcons, dahil medyo kakaunti yung live audiences natin dito. But here comes Doloso getting that layup. Dagdagan natin yan, Rick, ng 2 points. Now, Belgica once again for the Blue Stallions. Ateneo, a screen by Velitario. Now, Velitario to jersey number 13. Diretso, but a rejection coming from jersey number 15, Graho, pero makakakuha sila dito, Rick, ng free throw or the shooting foul. Courtesy of jersey number 35, James Angelo Bellica. And a quick shoutout dito kay Justin Calnuestro, Marlin Secundo, Cyrus Evangelio, Marcos Nasayaw, Ash Audal, Jelay Antones, Hernas Huego, Piper Adamos, Nika Sinson, and Calix Abante na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Now, USA Falcons, Doloso to Burse, but a traveling violation was called on the side of the Falcons, courtesy of Burse. Now, napakaganda ngayon ang performance ni Doloso and Burse on the side of this USA Falcons. Talagang pinag-iyan nilang offense dito sa araw na ito. Now, CSPC Blue Stallions rather, with a chance and opportunity para dito sa ating ball game.
Now Velitario firing for three, getting that three-pointer. What a shot sa ating left wing. That was a clean basket for jersey number 13, Velitario of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Jason Cornelio rather. Grabe. That is Jason Cornelio. Velitario is jersey number 14. And a follow-up shot coming from Graho of the Falcons. Now here comes jersey number 13, Cornelio.
And the ball possession will go on the side of Falcons. Turnover para dito sa side ng ating CSPC Blue Stallion. Now 3 minutes and 23 seconds remaining para dito sa ating unang quarter. And still abante pa rin dito ang ating Falcons. Now lock to inbound. So pinalitan dito yung first 5 on the side of the Falcons, trying to maximize every players para dito kay Coach Tupe.
Now Doloso gagante rin dito ng 3, but no good on that attempt by Doloso. Now here comes jersey number 4 for that defensive rebound na Bellica. Well guarded by Ciruelos. Bellica to Doloso now. Back to Ciruelos and a steal.
What a defense para dito sa Falcons, at matatawagan nga dito ng foul itong CSPC Blue Stallion. Kitang-kita natin kung paano pine-pressure dito ng depensa ng USA Falcons itong CSPC Blue Stallion. Now again, Falcons on the offense.
No, gonna that triple attempt by Locke. Now Ciruelos to Locke. Now Locke, double team Locke with Baita. Now still Locke for that pull-up jumper. Makakakuha nga dito ng shooting foul. Saktong-sakto, Rek, dun sa pag-expire ng ating shot clock. 2 free throws for Locke on the side of the USI Falcons with 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining for our first quarter. 9-16 ang ating score. That is a 7-point lead of the CSPC Blue Stallions now. Let's see. That's good for that first attempt by Locke. And no good on that second attempt. Now here comes the Blue Stallions after that defensive rebound by Velitario. Now jersey number 23, Labalan. Jersey number 4, well guarded jersey number 4. And almost a steal coming from Baita. Posada rather, and here comes Quijano. Hindi makukuha ang bola, but here comes Pedro Velitario. And ayun na nga, tuluyan ang nakuha dito ng ating USA Falcons for their offense. Now Posada on the corner, Ciruelos. And the whistle.
So much actions on that last sequence. Now, Blue Stallions with the ball possession. And now both teams are now on the penalty situation. Jersey number 19, Nianggar. No good on that free throw attempt. One more time for him. Let's see on his second attempt, and it's a clean basket. 7 points na lamang po ang kailangang habulin dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Falcons with the ball possession. Baita passing the ball to Pusada. Fires for that three. No good. Offensive rebound para kay Locke. At pumasok nga. On that side of the Falcons.
Now here comes Nianggar and an illegal carrying of the ball ang tawag sa atin dyan ni Ref Bonanong Chumakera from the SBP Elite Referees. Grabe. A missed opportunity for the Blue Stallions. Now Posada swings it to Ciruelos. Now to jersey number 9, Baita. And here comes Locke. Back to Baita. An air ball of that shot. Now here comes the CSPC Blue Stallions for that defensive rebound. Labalan. Well guarded Labalan. Now to Velitario. Loses the ball. Now Quijano gets it. And passing it to Baita. Now Posada. Out of bounds as the Blue Stallions will take that ball possession.
Ayan, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Bigs and Pocari Sweat. Maraming salamat po. Now, Blue Stallion with the ball possession. Muntik pang maagawan dito. But Cornelio with that fast break. And now, USI Falcons for this ball possession. Anong magiging sagot dito? Locke fires for that three. No good. And Baita securing that one.
May pag-follow up shot doon itong si Baita for that missed triple. Now, here comes Cornelio. Well guarded Cornelio by Ciruelos. Now, Cornelio nahihirapang tumawid dito. Labalan with 15 seconds on the game clock. And 10 seconds naman on the shot clock. Now, Nianggar. Didiretso makukuha ang 2 points for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now 5 seconds for the USA Falcons. Let's see, Posada nahihirapan dito tumawid. Baita fighting for 3. And an air ball on that last shot. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Our CSPC Blue Stallions is trailing here by 7 points. Kaya dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second quarter of action. And the ball will go on the side of the CSPC Blue Sounds a chance here to cut down the lead of the USI Falcons since they are trailing here to 7 points. Ayan, Nianggar for the Blue Stallions. Hands it to Labalan. Now, a missed ball by jersey number 4 Padua. Now, the USI Falcons here, diretso, makakakuha nga dyan ng 2 points courtesy of Doloso with that layup. Now, once again, Nianggar for the Blue Stallions, handing it to Labalan. Now, Nianggar. Labalan, well-guarded Labalan. Magandang defense ang pinapakita dito ng ating USI Falcons. And the whistle with that pushing foul coming from Doloso of the USI Falcons. Now, Nianggar to Labalan. Once again, Labalan. A good opportunity on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Makakakuha nga sila dito ng free throw opportunity. And the substitutions here. Burse checking in change of Posada for the USI Falcons. And that was good for that first attempt of jersey number 23, Labalan. Now here comes Labalan for his second attempt. And that was good, Rick. Kaya naman
napakaganda ng pinapakita dito sa ating laro ng ating USA Falcons. Nasa second quarter na po tayo and still, abante pa rin po sila dito. And now, Falcons with the ball possession. Lok passing the ball to Burse, fires for that 3, no good. A nice rebound on the side of the Blue Stallion at muntik pa nga dito ang maagawan ng bola. Pero still, Nianggar with the ball.
Now Labalan for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Padua fighting for 3, using the board to finish that shot. And that was good for the CSPC Blue Stallions. Mukhang hindi mapaniwala. Hindi makapaniwala yung kanilang coaches dito on the side. Grabe. What a 3-pointer. Using that class to finish that shot. Now Locke. Well guarded here, Locke. Ciruelos now. Matatalunan pa nga dito ni Padua. And a foul. That was a pushing foul for Padua of the Blue Stallions. And after that 3-pointer by Padua, 4 points na lamang yung hinahabol nila dito, Rick. Napakadikit ng laban.
And a great second quarter for the CSPC Blue Stallion. They managed to lessen the gap here, but USA Falcons with the ball possession. Burse. Heavily guarded here by Labalan, and now Doloso fires for 3, and Doloso again para dito sa Falcons. Si Doloso na lang nga dito ang hindi pinapalitan ni Coach Tope. Very high proficient player on the side of the USA Falcons.
Hindi rin dyan papayag na hindi sila makakaganti ng 3-pointer, but here comes Padua for the Blue Stallions. Well guarded here. A traveling violation by Padua on the side of the Blue Stallions, and that is brought to us by Nagayon Travel and Tours. And this time, Rick, ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update. Alright, so Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Rick and Jasper. First quarter is really something. Agad nga nagpakita ang Falcons ng agresibong depensa during the first quarter nga. Isang 3-pointer ang naisagawa ni Doloso, jersey number 22, na nagpainit sa kanilang opensa. And during the huddle, they are reminded to less their aggressiveness dahil nagsisimula pa lamang ang laro. Kailangan lang nilang maging consistent sa bawat galaw na ipinapakita para mapanatili ang kalamangan yan lamang. And I'll be back for more updates.
Thank you so much, Shan, for that update. And yun nga, USA Falcons doing an amazing job dito sa ating larong ito. At yun nga, on that buzzer beater it, na napakaganda ng ipinakita dito ng USI Falcons. So it's a buzzer beater shot pala para dito sa ating USI Falcons. Now, on the other side of things, ano kaya ang magiging adjustment dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallion because they are behind sa ating second quarter. Now, Amanda, anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. There we have witnessed a tough first quarter. The Stallions adjusted in the first quarter as they faced the play of the undefeated team. Naunahan nga ang Stallions na pumunta sa unang quarter pero di nila ito hinayaan at mas pinag-igihan pa ang kanilang opensa. Hindi dapat magmadali ang Stallions para mas ma-execute nila ng maayos ang plano, lalo na ang pagdala ng bola. Rick and Jasper, tuloy ang paalala dito ng coaches na pag-isipan ang pagtira sa puntos at komunikasyon nila sa loob ng hardcourt. Yan lang mga updates mula dito sa side ng CSPC Blue Stallions. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, at napatawag nga sila doon ng timeout after the 3-pointer by Burse. Grabe. Now, let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating Blue Stallions. Almost a steal. A save and out of bounds by Ciruelos on the side of the USI Falcons. The same ball possession dito for the Blue Stallions.
And now, ibabalik na dito si De Young on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. Now, kailangan nila ditong magdoble ng effort because 32-19 na po ang ating scoreboard. De Young, mauubusan nga dito ng oras itong ating CSPC Blue Stallion. Again, defense is the key para dito sa ating USI Falcons. Now, it's their ball possession.
Doloso, well guarded here by Velitario. Now, jersey number 18 for the USI Falcons. Burse, di diretso. Burse loses the ball and here comes Diang for that rebound. Now, Diang pass it to Atanasio. Nianggar to Diang. Diang, well guarded Diang. Grabe, babanggayan ni Diang. And a whistle coming from our officials. Now Del Rosario checking in for the USI Falcons. 19-32 po ang ating score. 13-point lead of the USI Falcons dito sa ating first half.
And now 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa CSPC Blue Stallion. De Young with the ball, 10 to shoot. Passes to his teammate, no good on the 3-point attempt. Now, Locke, may hawak ng bola, passing the ball to Doloso.
Now on the right wing, Burse di diretso. No good on that layup by Burse. But here comes Nianggar, that defensive rebound. Now Diang, well guarded by Locke. Diang tatawid dito with 12 seconds on the 24. Now Diang once again for the Blue Stallions. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Correa to Velitario. No good on that two-hands layup. Now here comes the USI Falcons with their defensive rebound. Del Rosario pull-up jumper. Now Del Rosario once again bouncing the ball. And that was no good for their second attempt.
And now, CSPC Blue Stallions with an opportunity again. Hindi nila dito na ma-maximize ang kanilang opensa. Now De Young, 10 seconds to shoot. Fires for that one, no good. But the ball possession will go on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. So another chance dito, Jasper, sa side ng ating CSPC Blue Stallion because kanina pa dito nahihirapan when it comes to their offense itong CSPC Blue Stallions.
Now Graho once again checking in for the USI Falcons. Now here comes Atanasio to inbound. Velitario. Hands ito ni Nianggar, nagmamadali ni Nianggar and madudulas nga dito si Nianggar. And that was a traveling violation. Natin sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. That was traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, ball possession ng ating USI Falcons with 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for our first half.
Now, a lot of turnovers on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. That's why hirap na hirap sila ditong habulin itong kalamangan na hawak ng ating USI Falcons. They need to take advantage because at this moment, medyo hirap din itong USI Falcons pumuntos. Kanina pa tayo na stuck dito sa 1932 sa ating scoreboard. So, it's a battle of greatness inside this hard court. So, matibay talaga para sa opensa at depensa dito sa ating araw na ito.
And especially, Rick, for the past 2 minutes na tayo naka-freeze dito sa ating scoring na ito. But this time, let's see kung anong gagawin ng ating Blue Stallions with Belica with that ball. Now, swinging it to Ateneo, fighting for 3. Almost getting that triple, but here comes Military for that offensive rebound.
10 to shoot para dito sa Blue Stallion.
7 seconds out of 24. Diang with that spin and a steal. Coming from jersey number 25 Del Rosario. Makakasabay pa nga niya dito yung whistle ng ating officials. And that was a pushing foul coming from Diang. Now, pagpapahingayin muna dito si Diang on the side of the Blue Stallions. Correa. Jersey number 13 rather, that is Cornelio checking in for the Blue Stallions. Now, Burse. Almost a backward violation for Burse. And that was an out of bounds as the same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the USI Falcons.
Now, the loss to inbound para sa kanilang kupunan. They need to convert a point at this moment because again, hindi na po gumagalaw ang ating scoreboard. Now, Del Rosario to Graho. And this time, USI Falcons with that point conversion.
Grabe yung shot na yon. Almost an off-balance shot for Graho of the USI Falcons. Now here comes Belica. Swings it to Ateneo. Now Ateneo looking for his teammates. Cornelio back to Ateneo. Now Ateneo with 6 seconds on the 24. No good on that attempt by jersey number 24.
And now, USI Falcons, no good on that attempt. Blue Stallion has the chance here.
A fake there. Now, jersey number 13, Cornelio. Back to Belica. Now, Ateneo getting that 3-pointer. And that was a clean basket for Ateneo of the Blue Stallions. Ayun na nga, Rick, nakita na natin yung pag-usad dito ng puntos ng ating Blue Stallions with 2 minutes on 35 seconds sa ating first half. Now, Locke, gaganti naman dito ng tres, no good. And here comes the Blue Stallions with that defensive rebound. Ateneo once again on the outside.
So far, Ateneo is leading their team dito sa ating larong ito.
Well, kanina pa sa dito gumagawa ng diskarte for their team. And as we can see, matatawagan dito ng traveling violation itong Blue Stallions.
Yes, Jasper. But again, kailangan ditong ng katulong nitong si Ateneo because we know that this USI Falcons, hindi talaga madaling kalaban dito sa ating ligang ito. So, they need a strong communication and teamwork para dito sa Blue Stallion to add their score here kasi kanina pa tayo nagkakaroon dito ng discussion na low scoring pa rin dito sa ating second quarter. Cornelio. And the Cornelio getting that one in. And a timeout was called on the side of the USI Falcons. 36-24. Napakaganda po ng bakbakan dito. So thank you so much po sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out po sa 331 viewers sa ating Oragon Sports TV. Kaya naman mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga nanunood. Shoutout po kay Cyrus Evangelio, Jacqueline Clavo, Divine Nicolas Lorente, at kay Christine Reyes. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, Rick, these two teams is doing well, doing very well dito sa ating hardcourt. Well, I think the only thing na kailangan gawin dito ng ating USI Falcons is to score and score. Dahil, di ba, napigilan sila doon pumuntos doon sa mga naunang minutes natin. But the CSPC Blue Stallions talagang working well para makapag-convert dito ng puntos. And because of that, parang naka-counter nila yung depensang pinapakita dito ng ating USI Falcons. But this time, tumawag sila ng timeout. We'll see if what are the adjustments on their gameplay.
Now back to the ball game. 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining for our first half. And still di ko pa rin dito, Jasper, nakikita yung fire inside the court for these both teams because we know kung paano mag-perform itong dalawang koponan na ito. So let's see again and again as the time progresses para dito sa dalawang koponan. Now Locke, may hawak ng bola, passing the ball to Doloso.
And that was a whistle from our officials with that foul coming from jersey number 4 of the Blue Stallions. The same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the USI Falcons. And a quick shout out to Terrence Bronzal. Ayan, happy viewing. Now, USI Falcons on the corner, di diretso Burse. No good on that second attempt by Graho.
Nice rebound on the side of the Blue Stallion. Chance for them to add their score here. But Del Rosario securing that one. It's their ball possession. Doloso passing the ball to Burse. Fires for 3. And again, Burse with that 3 points para dito sa ating USI Falcons. So far, so good para sa 3-pointers nitong USI Falcons. Blue Stallions on the other side of things with the ball. Jersey number 24 on his own version, but no good.
Sayang yun. A good bounce sana for that 3-pointer by Correa. But a whistle on that offense by the USI Falcons. Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws itong si Graho on the side of the USI Falcons. And a quick shoutout here to Jason Borromeo, Bong Baita, and Darian Bonesile. Nanunood sa ating Facebook Live. Ayan, happy viewing po. No good on that second attempt. Another foul naman, but this time, it's on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions naman. The ball will go on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions here. After that foul by the USI Falcons, now here comes Cornelio.
30 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half.
What a spin
Libre.
by Belica. Getting that left hand layup. And makakapuntos pa nga sila dito bago magtapos ang ating first half. Now 3-pointer by jersey number 25. That was not good. Now 10 seconds. Ateneo aatake on the right. Now on the wings. No good. And that was the end of our first half. 26-39. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second half only here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. finals. All right, so let's see. Since it's the ball possession of the USI Falcons.
And now, Julark Acebor nagbabalik dito para sa ating USI Falcons pero no good on that attempt. So what's the halftime analysis dito sa ating laro, Jasper?
Alright, so we have here the halftime analysis. So as we can see, mas mataas yung percentage dito ng ating USI Falcons pagdating sa kanilang 3-pointers with 6 out of 16 attempts, while 20% naman for the Cspc Blue Stallions with 3 out of 15 attempts. Now, pagdating naman sa kanilang 2-pointers, mas mataas dito yung 2-pointers nitong ating Cspc Blue Stallions with 6 out of 13 attempts and 10 out of 23 naman, equivalent to 43.48% on the side of the USI Falcons. So makikita natin dito na yung mostly nag-contribute ng malaking puntos for the USI Falcons was their 3-pointers there because mataas yung kanilang 3-pointer percentage dito according sa ating halftime analysis. And we also have here the halftime analysis na mas mataas yung ating starter points ng ating USI Falcons compared sa starter points ng ating Cspc Blue Stallions. But pagdating sa ating bench points, 2 points higher po ang ating Cspc Blue Stallions. And now, Nianggar, jersey number 11, now to Belgica. Back to Nianggar with 12 on the 24. Velitario, di diretso, Velitario. But a defensive rebound coming from Del Rosario. Now Doloso fighting for 3 on that right wing, and that was good on the side of the USI Falcons. First 3 for our second half. Grabe.
And now, Blue Stallion with the ball possession. 10 seconds to shoot. They need an answer at this moment, pero no good. Acebor securing that ball. Del Rosario itatawid ng bola on their side, and one more time for Doloso, and again Doloso. Napakaganda ng 3-point shots para dito sa kanilang kupunan, and mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout itong ating Cspc Blue Stallion.
That
wow.
was an early timeout for the Blue Stallions. Once again, Doloso fighting from the left wing of the court. Grabe, napakalinis din magtrabaho nitong si Doloso. Hindi na kailangan ng bounce but diretso, saktong-sakto for our basket. And let's see kung ano yung maagang adjustments din dito ng ating Blue Stallions, since lamang pa rin dito ang ating USI Falcons. And after that first half, ayan, isang puntos pa lamang yung naidadagdag nila dito sa ating first 1 minute and 30 seconds ng ating third quarter. Ayan. So we'll see, Rick, kung ano dito yung game plan na sinet nila para ma-counter yung 3-pointers and yung depensa dito ng ating Blue Stallions. Now, Nianggar hands it to Ateneo. Now Ateneo well guarded by Locke. Now Ateneo with 10 on the 24. Now, Labalan. Back to Ateneo. 5 seconds to shoot. Ateneo di diretso. Almost getting that layup. Pero marami siyang bantay doon. Now here comes Locke for the USI Falcons. Once again, Acebor fighting for 3, and that was good on the side of the Cspc Blue Stallions. And speaking of the Cspc Blue Stallions, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Amanda. Amanda, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. The crowd is electric here at the ADNU Gymnasium, where the Cspc Blue Stallions continue to clash with the USI Falcons. As both teams are vying for the spot, the Stallions eagerly show their aspirations for the season. Rick and Jasper, pressure and defensive game ang pinaalala ni Coach Peter sa second quarter. As you can see on the first half, the Falcons are continuously executing 3 points that kept their momentum. That's why the coaches reminded the Stallions to push their guards against the Falcons. Remember the role of primary, big man, and their gameplay. Yan ang dapat nilang gawin at dalhin at tandaan sa natitirang quarter para makabawi at makuha ang pagkapanalo ngayong araw. The energy is palpable and the Stallions are ready to clinch the battle this morning. Stay tuned here for more hot courtside actions. Yan lamang updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that quick update from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayun nga, at patuloy ang pagpuntos dito ng ating USI Falcons with a 22-point lead from the CSPC Blue Stallions. But let's see kung anong gagawin nila yung pagbawi dito. That was a whistle. Natatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 9 of the USI Falcons. And this time, ready na rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update. Alright, so Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second half of the game and I want to commend their good start sa kanilang first half of the game dahil halos lahat ay nagpakita ng magandang ball handling at court vision na nagresulta sa sunod-sunod na puntos. Lagi lang paalala during the huddle na simulan na ng mas agresibong depensa and be physical para maiwasan ang mga fouls. Kaya naman let's see kung magiging consistent ba ang kanilang play dahil pinapaulanan na nga tayo ni Doloso ng kanyang tres dito sa ating third quarter. Yan lamang ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen, on that update from the side naman of the USI Falcons. Grabe. This is the second timeout ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions dito sa ating third quarter and they have consumed their timeout for the third quarter. Grabe. A back-to-back points coming from the USI Falcons. 4 points pa lamang yung nailalagay dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions after that first half. But tingnan naman natin ngayon on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions, that was 15 points na after that first half. And let's see kung ilang puntos pa yung idadagdag nila dyan dito sa ating pagpapatuloy ng third quarter.
And now, Blue Stallion with a ball possession. Cornelio, heavily guarded here. But traveling violation, a crucial turnover para dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallion. Now, USI Falcons really enjoying kung ano ang nagiging sitwasyon on the side of the Blue Stallion. Nararattle dito ang kanilang kupunan. That's why USI Falcons maximizing every ball possession.
Will the USI Falcons remain being the undefeated team for Bucal Season 6? Yan ay question mark, Rick. Dahil still anybody's ball game pa rin tayo on the third quarter of action. Siyempre, meron pa tayong fourth and final quarter. And let's see kung anong pagbawi talaga yung dapat nating hintayin dito on the side of the Blue Stallions. Now, here comes Asibor. Asibor. Matatawagan nga dito ng pushing foul itong si jersey number 4 Padua of the Blue Stallions. Ayan, at Doloso to inbound for the USI Falcons. Now on the corner, Asibor, didiretso Asibor. But that was another whistle. Ayan, at back-to-back fouls na ang nanggagawa dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Maybe because, Rick, yung kanilang depensa is more aggressive or so aggressive naman for the Falcons. Now, let's see Asibor once again stepping on the line. And a quick turnover here on the side of the Falcons. 5 minutes and 32 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Now, here comes Labalan for the Blue Stallions. Well guarded here. Inaabangan siya dito ni Lok. At this time, Belica handing ito ni Anggar. Now, ni Anggar, didiretso ni Anggar to Cornelio. No good on that three-pointer. But here comes Labalan to Padua. Now, Belica, didiretso rin. Belica, libreng-libre. Getting that two-pointer. And that was good on the side of the Blue Stallions. Maybe kapag pinagpatuloy lang nila to, Rick, itong pagganito-ganito nila, that play, maghintay ng open shots, going to the inside, putting up layups, and I think that will make their points still increase dito sa ating third quarter. And now, another chance for them after that out of bounds by the Falcons.
So every basket and every ball possession counts para dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallions because hindi pa dito nakakakuha ng lead itong ating Blue Stallions. So this is an eye-opener for them this third up to the last quarter. If they want to get their spot on our Final Four, now block on the side of the Falcons, but still, Blue Stallion with the ball possession.
No,
Doloso.
maganda three-pointer by Padua. Now here comes Quijano. Nagmamadali Quijano. Maraming bantay but Quijano getting that two-pointer and that was good on the side of the USI Falcons. Still a double-digit lead. And now Belica nagdadala ngayon ng bola. Handing ito ni Anggar. Now dyan Laigo ni Anggar to Labalan. Labalan. Makakakuha nga dito ng foul. Coming from the CSPC Blue Stallions, that was a foul. And now Ateneo is in for the Blue Stallions. I think parang hindi pa binabalik-rek ng ating coaches si Andrew Diang on the side of the Blue Stallions. Ayan. Doloso once again fighting for three. That was good on the side of the USI Falcons. Grabe, nothing but the net. A clean basket for Doloso. I think this is for his third time dito sa ating second half. Now ni Anggar makakakuha nga dito ng free throws. Grabe.
And now, Nianggar on that free throw line. One more time for him. And it was good. And Blue Stallion is on the penalty situation. They should be very careful at this moment. And now, Doloso with the ball on the side of the USI Falcons. Passing the ball to Asibor with that long three. And Julark Asibor din. Magpapakawala ng tres. Grabe ang tag team nitong si Doloso and ni Asibor for making their 3 points effective at this moment and at this crucial point.
Grabe, 28 points lead of the USI Falcons dito sa ating second half. Now here comes Ateneo di derecho. But here comes Doloso for that defensive rebound and a deflection. But out of bounds as the USI Falcons will be turnovering the ball to the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan. Grabing tagpo to Rick dito sa ating third quarter. Medyo naiiwan na dito, napag-iiwanan na dito ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions, but kayang-kaya pa nila ito. They just had to double, triple their effort. Now here comes Cornelio, no good on that three-pointer. And out of bounds by Cervelos as the Blue Stallions will take that ball possession. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Now Padua. Di diretso dito Padua. Walang alinlangan Padua. Almost getting that out ball. Pero a good bounce.
And now, yun ang kailangan dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallion. Ang sunod-sunod na point conversion para maibaba dito ang kalamangang hawak ng USI. But the ball possession will go on the side of the Blue Stallion. So another chance for them to add their score here sa ating natitirang 2 minutes and 23 seconds.
Now Cornelio. For the Blue Stallions, Cornelio, well-guarded Cornelio. Now to Ateneo. With that screen by Padua. Now Ateneo well guarded by Quijano. Fadeaway shot. No good. And this time, Jolark as the ball stops and pops for three. Getting that three-pointer. Grabe. Galing dun sa kabila, Rick. Tumigil lang para mag-tres. And that was good. Grabe. Pamatay na three-pointer nitong ating USI Falcons. Patuloy pa rin for our second half. Now here comes Belica, gaganti rin ng tres, but here comes Nianggar for that follow-up shot. And this time, mapapatawag nga ng timeout itong ating USI Falcons maybe para patayin yung nasimulang momentum nitong ating Blue Stallions, and of course para naman pagpahingayin yung kanilang mga players dahil dun sa sunod-sunod na 3-pointers na ginawa nitong ating USI Falcons. We'll see kung paano nila yan ipapagpatuloy, and of course paano pa sila mag-a-adjust sa kanilang depensa para naman na mapigilang makapuntos pa itong ating Blue Stallions. And of course, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors, Rick. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold, Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. We also have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. BMEG, alagang BMEG, alagang number 1. And of course, Department of Agriculture, Bicol, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. Now back to the ball game, USI Falcons basketball, Ciruelos to Burse fighting for 3. Grabe, after that timeout, Burse getting that clean basket. Shooting from the outside of the line. Grabe talaga. Still a dominant run for the USI Falcons. Now on the corner naman, almost losing the ball, but still coming from Quijano. Grabe. 30 points lead na. 30-point lead. Now Ciruelos, no good on his 3-pointer. Now here comes Yangar for the defensive rebound ni Yangar to Padua. Now Atanasio. Atanasio gaganti naman dito ng 3, pero no good.
Now Falcons with the ball possession. So USA Falcons, they seem prepared para dito sa ating larong ito, and they really want to get a spot on that final 4 positions. So this is very crucial for both teams, especially if you're aiming to get a podium finish here sa ating Bucal Season 6. Now, Blue Stallion in the ball possession, 20 seconds remaining for our third quarter. And that's good para dito sa ating CSPC Blue Stallion.
12 seconds for our third quarter. Now, Joler Casibor. Let's see. 5 seconds. Doloso di diretso. What a 3 points play opportunity pa nga for Doloso of the USI Falcons. 2 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Let's take a look once again. Doloso di diretso, masasabayan nga dito ni Padua, and that was a 3 points play opportunity for John Michael Doloso of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Grabe. No good on that 3 points play opportunity. Now, time to shoot. And that was the end of our third quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And nagbabalik na nga po kami dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the last quarter of action. Ayan, Rek, malalaman na natin dito kung sino nga ba ang makakapag-secure ng ticket going or advancing to our semifinals. Ayan, at trailing dito ng 30 points ang ating CSPC Blue Stallions kontra dito sa ating USI Falcons. Now, Blue Stallions basketball, Velitario to inbound.
So this is the final stretch for both teams. Ito na yung deciding quarter para sa ating spot on our Final Four. Now USI Falcons with the ball possession. Burse passing the ball to his teammate. And again, grabe, all the players here para sa USI Falcons contributed on that 73 points. Napakaganda ng ball possession nitong ating USI Falcons.
Now, Atanasio handing it to Nianggar. Now, Nianggar, didiretso Nianggar. No good pa rin on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, here comes the USI Falcons. Asibor to Soruelos. Now, to jersey number 18, Burse. Now, Burse, didiretso dito, Burse. No good on that shot, pero may pagbawi dito. But Velitario securing that defensive rebound and out of bounds as the CSPC Blue Stallions will take that ball possession.
And now, ball possession ng ating Blue Stallion. Again, hindi pa rin natin dito nakikita yung presence ni Deyang on the side of the Blue Stallion. Nianggar, heavily guarded here. 15 to shoot. Cornelio, may hawak ng bola. Passing the ball to his teammate on that other side of court. No good. Offensive rebound.
Still cold hands for that three-pointer. And now makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws itong si Nianggar on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And this time, let's hear an update from Amanda, the courtside reporter of the CSPC Blue Stallions, to give us an update. Alright, so Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. That was the third quarter for this knockout game. Challenging. It was exactly the game between the two teams. The Stallions are still fired up to execute well their coach plan. Tuloy ang pagsabay ng players laban sa Falcons dahil isang quarter na lang ay malalaman na kung may susunod pa bang laban ang CSPC Blue Stallions this season. Hindi naman pinabayaan ng coaches na i-guide ang players para makahabol at makabawi. Ramdam ko ang tensyon at pagpupursige ng Stallions para makabawi. Abangan natin kung paano ba nila ipapasok sa laro ang adjustments na ibinigay ni Coach Jeric para sa players. Tutok lang dito sa Bucal official Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan lang mga updates mula dito. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Amanda. At yun nga, CSPC Blue Stallion, if they want to snatch this game, they better do those adjustments coming from their head coach. Because again, paulit-ulit dito nagkakaroon ng lapses itong CSPC Blue Stallion. Yun yung hindrance on why nahihirapan silang magkaroon ng point conversion. And now, it's their chance because nasa kanila ang bola. Let's see kung magkakaroon sila dito ng puntos on their side. And on the other side of things, USI Falcons, ano kaya ang update sa atin ng ating courtside reporter because napakaganda ngayon ang nilalaro ng kanilang koponan. Now, Chan, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Jasper. Andito na nga tayo sa fourth and last quarter of the game. Hindi man sumasang-ayon ang panahon sa labas, pero dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium ay napakainit ng laban. Kasing init kung paano ipakita ng Falcons ang kanilang tibay at galing sa hardcourt. Last reminder lang during the huddle is to finish the game strong. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, let's see kung patuloy tayong bibigyan ng bagandang depensa dito ng Falcons. So keep tuning to our Bucal Season 6, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Shen, on that update from the side of the USI Falcons. And of course, grabe, still cold hands for the CSPC Blue Stallions. And as we can see, Rick, nakikita na natin yung presensya dito ni Felix Andrew Diang, one of the key players of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Well, let's see kung ano yung magiging contributions niya dito. And no good na rin. Medyo hindi na rin pumapasok kadalasan yung 3-pointers dito ng ating USI Falcons. Maybe because of the defense na pinapakita ng ating Blue Stallions. But let's see naman on the side of the Blue Stallions kung paano sila dito aatake at counter dito ng depensa. Now let's see, Diang with 10 on the 24. Diang didiretso dito. And no good on that pull-up jumper by Diang. Now 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Asibor. What a pull-up jumper naman for Asibor. Grabe, nakita mo yun, Rick. Binigay niya muna yung bola. And sabi niya, ibalik mo agad sa akin dahil ako bahala dyan. And that was good for the USI Falcons. What a game plan dito for the undefeated team. Now, let's see here. Jersey number 13, Cornelio. Now to Velitario, back to Cornelio. Nasa ilalim si Padua pero medyo napasobra doon yung tira. And that was a turnover on the side of the Falcons now.
Asibor, may hawak ng bola dito para sa kanilang kupunan. Passing the ball to his teammate. And yun, another point conversion ulit para dito sa ating USI Falcons.
That was a pull-up jumper on the short corner.
And substitutions, couple of substitutions on the side of this CSPC Blue Stallion. 77-41, a double-digit lead para dito sa ating USI Falcons. And still, Blue Stallion is struggling with their offense and defense. 5 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. Labalan, passing the ball to his teammate, and a second chance point para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now USI Falcons on the other side, on the offense right now. Posada to Asibor with 10 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. And another point conversion coming from the side of the USI Falcons. Taking their time here, De Young, heavily guarded by two players. And a foul was called on jersey number 14 on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion, Velitario.
4 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Still a big margin ang kailangang habulin dito ng ating Blue Stallions. Now Posada on the side of the USI Falcons. To Baita. Now Baita looking for the basket. Parang titira ng long three. But that was a pushing foul coming from Velitario once again on the side of the Blue Stallions. Now jersey number 13, Burse. Lock rather. Now Posada, no good on that 3-pointer. Now a steal coming from Belgica of the Blue Stallions. Belgica to Correa. Correa fighting for 3, but that was no good. Now this time Belgica di diretso. Grabe, still no good or open shots for the Blue Stallions, but here comes Posada di diretso at makakakuha nga dyan ng 2-pointer.
81-43 on our scoreboard. What a game para dito sa ating USI Falcons. And again, whistle coming from our referee. Jersey number 12. Papilatan muna dito ni Del Rosario on the side of the Falcons. Now lock to inbound para sa Falcon side.
3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Let's see if the USI Falcons will be remaining undefeated for our Bucal Season 6 or, and I mean, if they can secure that ticket advancing to our semifinals, yan ang dapat nating abangan, Rek. Pero this time parang medyo malayo na yung kailangang habulin itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. 43-81. That was a 37 big points. But still coming from Korea. Now here comes jersey number 11, di diretso dito at makakakuha nga dyan ng additional 2 points. And that was a timeout coming from Coach Tope Espinosa of the USI Falcons. Dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for a short commercial break.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our fourth and final quarter. Again, matchup between the USI Falcons and the CSPC Blue Stallion. Pero syempre mag-shoutout tayo, Jasper, dito sa ating loyal viewers. Shoutout po kay John Angelo General, Bermudo Gabriel, Kian Delenya, Joshua Lawrence Enigo, kay Jacqueline Clavo at kay Lee Do-Yun. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Back to the ball game now. Blue Stallion on the offense. What a move on the side of their team. Napakaganda ngayon ng pinapakita ng ating Blue Stallion sa pagsimula after that timeout.
That was an air ball on the 3-pointer by jersey number 9, Baita. Now here comes Belica di diretso. Nandun rin sa kanto but that was too short for that 3-pointer. Grabe yung pumiglas doon ni Baita. But here comes Posada for the USI Falcons. Jersey number 9 to lock a good ball rotation with 1 minute and 40 seconds. Dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Let's see. Jersey number 18, no good. And that was a out of bounds. As the Blue Stallions will take that ball possession. Grabe, Rick. That was a big margin for the CSPC Blue Stallions and parang still undefeated yung ating USI Falcons dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. And as we can see, tuwang-tuwa na dito yung live audiences ng ating USI Falcons. But dito sa ating last 1 minute and 10 seconds, magkakaroon nga dito ng offensive foul itong ating USI Falcons. Grabe. Well, if the USI Falcons can win this game, ang makakalaban nila for our semifinals, it's either the NCF Tigers or the STI Olympians. Mamaya malalaman natin yan, Rick, because for our last game, later at 3 p.m., ayan, malalaman natin kung ang makakalaban pa ng ating USI Falcons ay yung NCF Tigers or the STI Olympians. Magandang bakbakan yan, Rec, for sure. And that was our main event of this Sunday action. Ayun nga, at this last sequence na ubusan dyan ng shot clock itong ating CSPC Blue Stallions. Winner go home for both of these teams with 46 seconds on the game clock. Ayan. Now, jersey number 13, Lok. Parang natitigilan na rin dito yung ating players as we are about to end this ball game. Last 30 seconds for this ball game, Rick. Now, Posada. Still, yung eagerness pa rin ng ating Blue Stallions nakikita natin. But this time, matatawagan nga dito ng foul itong si Belica with 24 seconds sa ating game clock. Grabe, napakagandang bakbakan yung nato ngayon natin, Rick, for our first game this Sunday. And of course, tutok na tutok rin yung ating live viewers dahil talagang mabibigat yung ating teams na naglalaban-laban dito sa ating quarterfinals. Well, of course, hindi rin naman sila basta-basta nakapasok for our quarterfinals. Kaya this far, kailangan na talaga nating panoorin, kailangan na talaga nating abangan yung mga plays, yung mga ipapakita nila for the final stretch of the quarterfinals. And ayun na nga, as we can see, the USI Falcons securing a ticket advancing for our semifinals. And of course, yung ating CSPC Blue Stallions, look how far they've got. Naka-advance sila dito sa ating quarterfinals. And ayun, nakatapat nila ang undefeated team for Bucal Season 6. And syempre, Rick, still undefeated ang ating USI Falcons. Congratulations for both of these teams. Ayan, dyan lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya po ay makikilala natin ang best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And here we go. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, where love is service. Now, together with me is our best player of the game, jersey number 22, John Michael Doloso, producing 26 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, and 3 steals. Congratulations on your big win this morning. So, paano kayo nag-prepare dito sa gandang game na ginawa nyo against the Cspc Blue Stallion and knowing na wala pa kayong talo dito sa Bucal Season 6?
Nag-prepare lang talaga kami. Halos wala kaming rest day kasi gusto namin makamit talaga yung ultimate goal namin. Ginawa namin yung conditioning ng maayos kahit lahat kami pagod na. Push pa rin kami ng push basta para sa USI.
Ayan, again, congratulations to your team. So ano pa ang aabangan namin sa USI Falcons on to our semifinals game?
Abangan nyo yung bagong USI. Di na yung ganun nung dati. Mas malakas na, mas focus at mas prepared kami sa lahat ng laro. Wala kaming urungan kahit sino. And
last, this is your time to shout out all the supporters na talaga namang nakatutok sa laro nyo ngayong araw na ito.
Thank you, siyempre una muna sa Panginoon natin, nagabay sa amin, yung USI na pumunta pa dito kahit Sunday, kahit family day na nila yon, sumuporta pa rin sa amin, yung coaching staff, mga teammates ko, tapos family ko, girlfriend ko na sumusuporta kahit wala.
Ayan, thank you so much on your big win today. Again, my name is Rick Puerta and together with me is our best player of the game, Doloso.
And that was our best player of the game. Atid sa atin yan ang Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, where love is service. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok for our quarterfinals knockout match. The first game for this Sunday action. Marami pa po tayong dapat tutukan this Sunday. Susunod na po ang bakbakan ng also in the juniors division. Ayan. And salamat rin po for our lovely ladies on the court side. We have Amanda and Chen. And once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Rick Puerta. For more actions, tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.